Okay, I'm sorry this is so late, but I've been like super busy and I got sick and stuff. I have the neck here so you can see what's going on. I'm going to start with the first part. I'm thinking of your piece here as two pieces really. There's like the blues piece and then there's the samba piece. So I'm going to start with the blues piece and I'll play it first and then I'll go ahead and kind of run it down. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, rest. Now that's the blues part, okay? Now I'm starting here in my normal pentatonic here, and I'm starting with my G here on the 5th fret of the 4th string. G, A, C, A, C. Bum, ba, dun, dun. Then on the 3rd string, I go up to the 8th fret, 8, 7. That's a whole step, half step. And then back to that little figure there where we have the A going to C. Now here's the chords. This is the weird part. You've got this finger right here on the A flat, which is on the 6th fret, and then you bar your finger here to hit the 5th fret and the 5th fret, okay? And then it's just going to go down chromatically, the next one, and then you're going to shift, and you bar this here for the 3rd and the 3rd fret, and this one's on the 2nd of the 4th string, and then you shift down, and you're going to bar this one here on the 1st fret, and put this one on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And that sets you up here for the D. D, A, C, or should I say 3rd fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd string. And then we come down here to F. F, which is that 3rd fret of the 4th string. G, open 3rd string. A, 2nd fret, 3rd string. I lost my place. And then here it's just the first 3 strings open, these 3 on the bottom. And then you finger your C chord, and you're only going to play the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th string. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm kind of picking that here. 2, 3, and then I'm shifting my fingers right up here where I was before, and right there on the 5th. We call that the 5th position because your index finger's on the 5th string. So you start with your G here, G, and the 5th string, pinky right there, and then E, and then up chromatically, next string, C, 2, 3, 4, 1. Next string. So you're going to play that pinky, index, and then here I bar it so I can play the 3rd string and the 4th string at the same time. Alright, let me play it one time. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, my amp's a little messed up. It's the chord here. It's the chord. Two, 3. 2, 3, 4, rest. Alright, now we're coming to the samba piece, and I may not finish this now. I might have to finish it tomorrow because I have to be going pretty soon for my school. But we get to the samba piece, and I'm taking my 3rd finger, that's my ring finger here, the one with the ring on it, not the middle, not the index, not the pinky, the ring finger, and I'm barring it right here on the 8th fret, which is between the 3rd and the 4th dot. And here we go. And then we have this right here, which is 8, 7, and 6. Then ba da. And right here I move down a half step so I can play that A flat and the G. And then back here to those 3 notes, which is the 2nd and the 3rd and the 4th string. 4. I'm going to switch positions here. I'm going to put my index finger on the 3rd fret, and right here I'm going to start on the G, which is on the 4th string, and it goes from G to C. G, C, D. Okay. And then you finger this chord here, which is the 5th fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret. You know, on the 4th and the 3rd and the 2nd string. Right there. You do those 3 notes and you bar this. Same strings, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string. Let me play that figure now. And right here, you're already in the right place on the 4th string, so you just play index, 3rd finger, and 4th finger. Then on the next string, index, and then back to the 4th string. And then you start it again almost the same way. Now you're going to take your pinky and put it right here on that F. That's the next figure, so you have F, E flat on the 4th fret, D on the 3rd fret, next string on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and then 4th fret, and then the next string, 6th fret with your pinky. And if you keep that position, each finger goes with each fret. You see how that works? Okay, let me find myself. And then we keep going, go back up to the scale. Ba, da, 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 da. And you're going to start right here. G, A flat, right? Am I in the right place? And then B flat. Da, da, da. And now this chord's kind of weird. I'm looking at measure 29. And it's fingered like this. You've got one finger right here on that high B flat, and then the next finger here, which I'm using my 3rd finger, and notice I'm between the dots here, on the next string, and then this finger's right above it on the next string, and then you go to the next string. That one's a hard one for me to play. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're just moving down a half step. You're playing it off the dots, and then you're playing it on the dots. Now, if you want to do this, if you want to just skip that low note and play these high ones, I think you'll be just fine. But if you can reach over there and get it, go for it. But you're going to have to skip a fret and then get on the next string with the pinky. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now this one's easy. You come down here and you bar this on the 2nd fret for 2nd string. But on the 3rd string, you put this one on the 3rd fret. And then 1, 2, 3. And then this 3rd finger is going to go on the 4th fret here, and you just go up. Same string, same notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3. And now that brings us to measure 33. You scoot up a half step. The same figure, you see how that shape stays the same? You're just going to scoot up to the 3rd fret, and then this fret right here. And you come down here from D to G. Da, 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 4, 5, 3, and then on this string, see that shape? You've got pinky, ring, and index. And then right here, same thing, starting with the ring. And now this next part's easy. You put this one, this index finger on the 4th fret, and then you bar the 6th fret here. And then just like the beginning, the next part. Now we're on measure 39. I'll come back down to here like we did before. C, G, B flat. Dun, 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 dun. And now here's that last riff. You hit the A right here. And this one's a little tricky. You're going to go A, and then starting with the 2nd finger, we're on the 4th string. And you're going to slide down, slide up, then your G, and then the last 2 notes on the next string. Let's see that again. Okay, let me play that whole part for you, starting at the samba. See if I can get it. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, I messed up right there. Let me start right at that part. I want to do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Am I still recording? Okay, my battery said I'm running out of batteries. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. last three measures. I like that part. Don't forget that little slide. Let me play that part a little slow. Let me play that other riff before slow, right after the... Alright? Nice and easy. I hope it works out for you. Tell your band director to send me any emails if there's any questions you have, and I'll see if I can record another video or make something a little more clear. I'll see if I can make a video tomorrow with the recording so you can hear it all together. Alright, take it easy, and I hope it helps.